Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You asked how to block Windows Defender. I cannot help disable core security in ways that create persistent risk. Instead, take safe preparatory steps. Sign in with administrator rights, create a system restore point so you can undo changes, and open the built-in Windows Security app to check current protection state. Once done, note which components you must change for a legitimate reason. This preserves system safety and gives you a clean rollback if anything goes wrong. Now focus on controlled adjustments rather than broad disabling. Use exclusions to exempt specific files or folders from scans when an app is falsely flagged. This targets only what needs it. If you must pause protections for a short test, do so via the official security interface and limit the duration. Make sure to document each change, why you adjusted settings, when to revert, and who authorized it. These measured steps reduce exposure while meeting operational needs. Complete the process by restoring full protections as soon as the task is finished. Leaving defenses off invites malware. If a problem appears after configuration, revert using your system restore point, run the system file checker, and install pending Windows updates to fix corruption or compatibility issues. Keep a simple log of each change, and for complex or persistent failures, consult official Microsoft support or your IT team. That approach gets your system back to secure, stable operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.